Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went on out to Dollar General and there is some nice deals out here that is on the low. Okay, so I think there's maybe about 3 or 4 deals that giving you low out of pocket if you were just purchasing them by yourself. I mean, these are deals that you can do now if you want to, instead of waiting until Saturday for the 5 off of 25. But if you want to wait and not do the deals now, hopefully things will be in stock. Okay, because I went to not the regular Dollar General that I always go to, but I went to another one, and some of the deals that when you come out of pocket is just only $1 was not in stock, but it was early in. But it should, they should have had things in stock. But I guess all the couponers have went, or people that know about the deal went ahead and purchased them. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the deal that you can do now. Okay. So the first deal, this Purex. All right. The Purex is $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon, only making this $1. And this is the 15 count. Now, I don't know if the 19 count works too. You just have to scan it when you go into the store to actually see. Okay. The next thing is the Scott. The Scott, there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, this is the 6 big rolls for Scott Comfort Plus, but you can also, I think, purchase the 5. I didn't scan the 5. I just got the 6, scanned it, and went on. So I got this $1 off, made it just $2 because the regular price is $3. Okay. The next thing, these Finish tabs. Okay. These Finish tabs, they are $3.25, and it is the 12 count for the Finish Powerball Max and 1. They are, like I said, $3.25. There is only there's 2 50 cents, but only 1 attached to it because I did not attach the other one. I just left that open for a minute because I couldn't remember if I had $1 off of Finish or 50 cents off of Finish. So I had 2 50 cents off, which is, I think 1 is going to be expiring. So I just went ahead and clipped that one that was closer to the expiration date. So this right here is only 50 cents off, which I'm okay with that because I need some of these for my dishwasher. Okay. But if you want to put these in there, hey, it's still a good price, because when I tell you how much I spent, you're going to be like, okay. All right. So the next thing, okay, is the U by Kotex. The U by Kotex, they are $3.25. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attached. I'm sorry, y'all. It does look a little gloomy. It is raining here, so it looks a little, dark that I'm showing. That's what it looks like to me. So I do apologize for that too, because that's Mother Nature. It's raining. All right. So the next thing is the CoverGirl. Now I found these on the clearance aisle, $3.35. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. I will not be keeping this. I just put it in to my transaction, trying to make it a little low. So I would be throwing this away because look at it. It's all crumbled up. All right. So the next thing is the St. Joseph. The St. Joseph, let's see, it is $2, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is the 36 count for the St. Joseph aspirin. Okay. Then the last thing, let me move this over, is this Prego. Okay. Prego, the Prego and the Barilla. All right. It is the sale is buy two, get the Barilla, any Barilla free. Okay. So it's you can either get the Prego, which is this in the cream in the red, or you can get the Alfredo also for Prego. But in my stores that I went into, they had one of the Alfredo, but I didn't get it because I was trying to look at the expiration date. And y'all know how I am about my expiration dates. And I couldn't make the expiration date out, so I didn't get it. So I went ahead and got this Prego, which is the traditional. And it is, let's see, 24 ounce, okay? And then I got the roasted garlic and herb Prego, okay? And then I just went and got the thin spaghetti for free, okay? And it's the 1 pound, okay? So there is, like I said, there is a, on the Prego, it's a buy two, get the thin spaghetti free, okay? So I did get that free and it did come off. So I will show you all on my receipt, okay? So after everything was scanned, all the coupons came off. My subtotal was $12.35. Yes, y'all know how I do. I try to do the $5 challenge, but sometimes it don't work because I be in the stores and I just be picking up stuff and then think, oh, I forgot to get this. Oh, I forgot to get that. But it's all good. So $12.35. So let me show you my receipt. All right. So there's the Prego. There's the St. Joseph. You see the store discount for the Prego. There's the St. Joseph. There's the Kotex. There's the Barilla, the store discount. There is the CoverGirl, the $3. Excuse me. There is the Prego again for the store discount. There's the Scott Comfort Plus, the $1 digital. There's the Purex for the $2 digital. There's the Finish. There's the 50 cents digital. So my subtotal was $12.35. Yes, everybody's taxes is different. Total savings is $10.90. Yes, $10.90. So, and I did not get a 5 off of 25. After everything looks good. Now, you don't have to, if you don't want to, get these Finish Powerballs. I got those because I need some in my stockpile. So if you don't want to get those, that's fine. You don't have to. But I just, like I said, I needed some for my house, for my household too. So there it is. But if you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.